Hi students, so welcome to next session 23. Now in previous session we discussed matrix method concept and we discussed some examples related to that for 2 variable and 3 variable for finding solution of the linear equations. Now we will continue next. Today we will discuss exercise 4.6. In this, how to examine the consistency of system of equations. How to check consistency or inconsistent for the given linear equations. Let's discuss few examples for this. In this, for example, first one, how to check consistency. X plus 2y equal to 2, 2x plus 3y equal to 3. Already discussed in concept case number 2. Case number 1 is what? That a is not equal to 0, system is consistent, solution is possible. Unique solution. If that a is equal to 0, we need to check adjoint A into B matrix. Depending on that matrix product, we got not equal to 0 is inconsistent, is equal to 0 matrix, it is a consistent or inconsistent. We need to check it. For this first try on A matrix. What is A matrix? 1, 2, 2, 3. What is X matrix here clearly? Only XY. And what is the B matrix? Column matrix 2, 3. Now first of all find that A value. That A value means what you get? 3 minus, that is minus 1. Clearly it is not equal to 0. When it is not equal to 0, the system is consistent and has a unique solution. Here system is just checking only, no need to do further anything. No need to solve, just checking for consistency. For example, the question is given like this. For example, x plus 3y equal to 5, 2x plus 6y equal to 8. I am telling how to check the consistency for the given system of equations. Let us take A matrix. What is A matrix? 1, 3, 2, 6. X matrix, only 2 variables x and y. What is a B matrix? 5, 8. Now find that A value. That A value what will get? 6 minus 6. Clearly what you got here? 0. When that A is equal to 0, we have to check, we need to calculate the value adjoint A into B matrix. Directly we can't find solutions there or not there because it is a singular matrix. For that, first of all adjoint A value. Adjoint A matrix for 2 by 2 have shortcut, easy method. Interchanging diagonals, 6, 1. Change sign for these two elements. Minus 3, minus 2. To check consistency or inconsistency, we need to calculate adjoint A into B matrix. Adjoint A into B matrix. What is adjoint A matrix? 6 minus 3 minus 2 1. Into what is the B matrix? 5 8. Now multiply. 2 by 2 matrix into 2 by 1. What will get resonant matrix is 2 by 1. First row with first column. 6 into 5, 30. Minus 3 into 8, minus 24. Minus 2 into 5, minus 10. 1 8 is 8. Now here what you got? Condition wise. Now we got here the values. What adjoint A into B matrix equal to we got 30 minus 24 is 6. Minus 10 plus 8 is minus 2. Here adjoint A into B is clearly is not equal to null matrix. Already I said in case 2, there are 2 conditions. Adjoint A into B matrix is not equal to 0 matrix. The system is inconsistent and is not having any solution. No solution for that. System is inconsistent and solution does not exist. Adjoint A and B is equal to 0 matrix means system is either consistent or inconsistent according to the solution, either infinitely many solutions or no solution. Now here we got in first case, what first condition here, adjoint A and B is not equal to 0 matrix. That's why system is inconsistent and the solution does not exist. What the concept we discussed, that concept as is followed. You're only just checking mark system is a system of equations consistent or not. The same thing for three variables also, three variable equations. Everyone try this one homework. Try these questions. Checking for consistency. 2x minus y equal to 5. X plus y equal to 4. So next one homework. 3x minus y minus 2z equal to 2. 2y minus z minus 1. 3x minus 5y equal to 3. Same, write A matrix, X matrix, B matrix and find the A value. If it is not equal to 0, directly it is a consistent and having unique solution. Otherwise, we need to find the adjoint A into B matrix. If that is not equal to null matrix, system is inconsistent and not having any solution. If adjoint A into B matrix, if it is null matrix, then system is either consistent or inconsistent and according to the solution is infinitely many solutions or no solution. That statement we need to write. You will try these questions. Now next, solve system of equations using the matrix method. Okay, in that first one, 5x plus 2y equal to 4, 7x plus 3y equal to 5. This is a two variable equation clearly. We need to find for this solution. How to write? First we need to write A matrix, X matrix, B matrix. How to write A matrix? In first equation xy quotients into first row. Second equation xy quotients 7, 3. Next X matrix is a column matrix having only two variables x and y. It's a B matrix 4, 5. Now to do matrix method, first to find that A value. That A value what we get? 5 3s are 15 minus 7 2s are 14. So how much we got here? 1. Clearly it is not equal to 0. When that A is not equal to 0, A inverse is exist. For A inverse, what is the formula? Now what is the actual matrix method concept? Ax equal to B is the actual equation of the linear form. From this we need to find X matrix. X is the solution matrix. From that we will get X value and Y value. We need A inverse matrix. A inverse, what is the formula? 1 by det A into adjoint A. Det A order we know 1. Adjoint A we need to find. Adjoint how to find? 2 by 2 we know clearly. Interchange diagonals 3, 5. Change sign here. Minus 2, minus 7. Now write down A inverse matrix. 1 by det A into adjoint A. 1 by det A value 1 into adjoint A is 3 minus 2 minus 7, 5. That is A inverse 1 by 1 is 1 only. 3 minus 2 minus 7, 5. Now take that equation. X is equal to A inverse into B. From this we can find the X matrix. What is A inverse? We got 3 minus 2 minus 7, 5. Into B matrix what? 4, 5. Column matrix. 2 by 2 into 2 by 1 matrix will get 2 by 1 matrix. How to find this one? First row with first column. 3 4s are 12. Minus 2 into 5, minus 10. Minus 7 into 4, minus 28. 5 5s are 25. Now from this, it is clearly X matrix nothing but it is a column matrix containing two elements. One is X and Y. 12 minus 10 how much? 2. Minus 28 plus 25. It is clearly minus 3. Now from this, what is the solution of these equations? X equal to 2 and Y is equal to minus 3. Now the method is remain same only for any type of questions by using matrix method. Like some questions for two variable equations. Homework, you want to try. It's very easy. And 5 marks very important. By 5 marks they will ask 3 variable equations and not 2 variable equations. Now, second one, here want to try homework. Is few questions. 2x minus y equal to minus 2. 3x plus 4y equal to 3. Next third one. 4x minus 3y equal to 3. 3x minus 5y equal to 7. Next fourth one. 5x plus 2y equal to 3. 3x plus 2y equal to 5. These are the two variable equations. Everyone try solution. The method is remains same only. No changes in that. And note down these questions. Same. Now we will discuss 3 variable equations. 3 variable equations how to solve. Already discussed 2 examples. Come to fifth one. 2x plus y plus z equal to 1. X minus 2y minus z equal to 3 by 2. 3y minus 5z equal to 9. These are 5 marks very important models. 3 variable equations. Solving these equations by using matrix method. Now, from this equation we need to write 3 matrices mainly. A, X, B. A matrix. What? 2, 1, 1. 1 minus 2 minus 1. X is not there here. That's why X quotient is 0. 3 minus 1. X matrix. How many variables are there? 3 variables. X, Y, Z. Next, what is the B matrix? The B matrix clearly 1. 3 by 2, 9. Now to check matrix method, first we need to check that A is 0 or not equal to 0. Now that A value. That of 2, 1, 1. 1 minus 2 minus 1. 0, 3 minus 1. Expand on no problem. 2 into, then it is row and column. Minus 2 into minus 5 is 10 minus 3 into minus 1 minus 3 minus or minus plus 3. And sign minus 1 into deleting its row and column. 1 into minus 5 minus 0 into minus 1 is 0. Next plus 1 into by deleting its row and column. Remaining 1 minus 2 0 3. 1 into 3 3 minus 0. Check clearly, calculate and find out values. 2 into 30 minus 1 into minus 5 plus 5. 1 3 is 3. This is 26 plus 8. Now 26 plus 8 how much will get? It is clearly 34. At A value clearly we got not equal to 0. That's why A inverse is exist. Now for A inverse, now what is the matrix equation? Matrix method equation Ax equal to B. From this we can use X equal to A inverse into B. Get A is not equal to 0 only, we can apply matrix method concept to find X matrix. Now, how to find A inverse? 1 by det A into adjoint A. Now for adjoint A, we need to find cofactors for each and every element. A1 means cofactor of first element. First row, first column. Sign actually what for this plus by deleting its row and column. Minus 2 minus 1. 3 minus 5. 10 minus of 3 into minus 1 minus 3 minus of minus plus 3. Here 30. Next A1 to sign is minus into delta of. By deleting first row, second column, remaining 1 minus 1, 0 minus 5. 1 minus 1, 0 minus 5. Minus of 1 into minus 5, minus 5 plus 0. It is clearly 5. Next, A13. Sign is a plus clearly into that of. Delete first row, third column. What remaining elements? 1 minus 2, 0, 3. Plus of 3 minus 0, that is 3. Next, second row, first column. Sign is minus. Second row, first column is for this element we need to find. Second row, first column will remain 1, 1, 3 minus 5. 1, 1, 3 minus 5. Minus of 1 into minus 5, minus 5. And 3 into 1. Actually, sign is minus as per determinant. 3 into 1, 3. Minus 5 minus 3, minus 8. Minus of minus plus 8. Your sign also very, very important. Correct. Plus into that of. Delete second row, second column. Remaining 2, 1, 0, minus 5. 2, 1, 0, minus 5. Plus of 2 into minus 5, minus 10, minus 0. That is total minus 10 only. Next, A23. Sign is minus into that of. Deleting second row, third column. Remaining 2, 1, 0, 3. 2, 1, 0, 3. Minus of 6 minus 0, that is minus 6. Now coming to next, A31. A31 means sign is plus. Delete third row, first column. 1, 1, minus 2, 1. 1, 1, minus 2, minus 1. Plus of minus 1, minus 2 into 1, minus 2. Minus of minus plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2 is clearly 1. That is equal to 1. Next, A32. Sign is minus into that of. By deleting third row, second column. Third row, second column will remaining 2, 1, 1 minus 1. 2, 1, 1 minus 1. So minus of 2 into minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, 1 is 1. Minus 2 minus 1 how much? Minus 3, total plus 3. Next, A33. Third row, third column. Sign is plus. By deleting third row, third column, what is the elements remaining? 2, 1, 1 minus 2. 2, 1, 1 minus 2. Now 2 into minus 2, minus 4, minus 1. That is total minus 5. Now from this we need to write adjoint A. Adjoint directly how to write? First row column, co-partition first column. 13, 5, 3. Next three values in the second column. 8, minus 10, minus 6. Next, 1, 3, minus 5. Next, we need to write A inverse matrix. How to find A inverse? 1 by det A into adjoint A. 1 by det A, well, how much we got? 34. Into adjoint A, what? 13, 8, 1. 5 minus 10, 3. 3 minus 6, minus 5. Now, we got A inverse. B matrix already we know. We need to find X matrix from this. X matrix equal to what? A inverse into B. What is A inverse? 1 by 34 into 13, 8, 1. 5 minus 10, 3. 3 minus 6, minus 5. Into what's the B matrix? B matrix is 1, 3 by 2, 9. This is 3 by 3 matrix, this is 3 by 1. 3 by 3 matrix and 3 by 1 will get 3 by 1 matrix. So 1 by 34 into, you need to multiply row with column. 13 ones are 30. 8 into 3 by 2. 8 into 3 by 2 means 2 ones are 2 fours are. 4 3s are almost total 12 will get. Next 1 into 9 plus 9. Next second row with column. 5 ones are 5. Here minus 10 into 3 by 2. Minus 10 into 3 by 2 means 2 ones are 2 5s are. Minus 5 into 3, it is minus 15. Next 3 into 9, it is clearly 27. Next third row with column. 3 ones are 3. Minus 6 into 3 by 2. 2 ones are 2 3s are. Minus 3 into 3, it is minus 9. It's a sum of product values we need to take. Minus 5 into 9, minus 45. By adding these values, you will get 1 by 34 into 13 plus 24. Oh, sorry, 13 plus 12, 25. 25 plus 9 clearly 34. 5 minus 15, it is minus 10. Minus 10 plus 27, how much will you get? 70. 3 minus 9, how much? Minus 6. Minus 6 minus 45 is minus 51. If you divide 34 inside, 34 by 34, 1. 17 by 34, how much will you get? 1 by 2. Minus 51 by 34. Minus 51 by 34 means 17 2s are 17 3s are. Total minus 3 by 2 will get. This X matrix nothing but X, Y, Z. X value 1, Y value 1 by 2, Z value minus 3 by 2. This is the solution. How to check? Just substituting these values into equations. If equations are satisfied, that is correct. Otherwise, we need to check the cofactors and every value.